Hello everyone, in this video we will understand the concept of phase system, right? So phase system is very important to understand in geotechnical engineering. For this I have drawn the diagram of to understand the phase system in this. You can see in the yellow marker. So to understanding phase system, here what is Vs? Vs is volume of solid. What is Vw? Vw is volume of water. What is Va is volume of air, and Vv is volume of void. And what is the total volume? Then total volume is V, right? So what is the condition where what is partially saturated condition? What are the phases? What and two phase system or three phase system, whatever it is. So how do we determine that? Here we will understand. So first is partially saturated condition. For partially saturated condition, it means that it has also a water present in it and also some air present in it. So solid plus air plus water, it becomes three phase system, right? And basically it has to be three: solid, air and water. Basically these three will be present, then we can say that it is a partially saturated condition which consists of three phases, right? Solid, air and water. And understanding the second point, fully dry soil. So dry soil means that the air should only air should present with solid. No water will be present. If water will be present, then it is a saturated condition. I am talking about fully dry soil. So dry soil, whenever I am talking about dry soil, it will only solid and air, which will become two phase system, right? And the third one is fully saturated condition. So fully saturated condition means it has to be water plus solid and there will be no air in it. So it consists of two phase system, right? And what is frozen soil? Frozen soil, it is a condition of same as the partially saturated soil, but in the addition it has something ice in it, so it will become four phase system, right? So here it is the phase system I have explained to you. From next 2 to 3 slides, this diagram will be very helpful, so understand it freely, right? And the next slide is, what is the next slide? We have to learn some important terms, right? Important terms we have to learn. So what is the void ratio? Well, void ratio we will understand by it is the ratio of the volume of void to the volume of solid, right? It is the ratio of volume of void to the volume of solid. Just see the phase diagram I have drawn it. It is the volume of void by volume of solid, right? So volume of void by volume of solid, what will become? It is void ratio. It will become void ratio. So E greater than 0, it is the condition. E cannot be 0. It will always be greater than 0. And I have written the condition E greater than 1 for finer soil. The more finer will be the soil, the more will be the void ratio, right? And E is less than 1 for coarse grained soil, right? Here is the void ratio. I am coming to porosity. So porosity. So porosity, it is defined as the ratio of volume of void to the total volume, right? It is the volume of void to the total volume. So it is basically in the percentage. So volume of void by total volume will give you porosity. We can represent it by N. So it cannot be 0, right? Porosity cannot be 0, and it will be vary between 0 to 100% or 0 to 1, as you can say, right? It will be 100%. So what is the another one? And the relationship between E and N. It means that void ratio and porosity. So void ratio and porosity, it is the formula E is equals to N by 1 minus N and N is equals to E by 1 plus E. You have to remember that so that it can be used in the further question. So you just remember E is equals to N by 1 minus N and N is equals to E by 1 plus E, right? Coming to the next slide. So what is degree of saturation? So degree of saturation is defined as the ratio of volume of water to the volume of void, right? As you can see, volume of water to the volume of void. I am coming to the phase system, right? Here it is. So what I have said that volume of water to the volume of void, right? Volume of water to the volume of void. Here you can see the volume of water to the volume of void. The small box, it shows the volume of water, so the volume of water by volume of void into 100 will give you what? A degree of saturation. As you can see, what it will give? The degree of saturation. And SR can be equal to 0 and SR can be 100%, right? It can be 0 and it can be 100%, somehow in between 0 to 100, right? I have written the condition. So for fully saturated soil, VW is equals to VW, so SR we get 100%. For fully dry soil, if the condition is dry, so we can understand that if dry, then there will be no water present in it, right? Volume of water will become 0. So volume of water will become 0. Then understanding the air content, right? Air content is somehow between the ratio of volume of air to the volume of void, right? So it is the ratio of volume of air to the volume of void. So VA is equals to VV, then we get 1. What it is? It is a dry soil. Here you can see in the phase diagram. So what it has said that volume of air, right? Volume of air by volume of void, right? So volume of air by volume of void, what we get? We get air content into 100. What we get? We get air content, right? So for fully dry soil, VA is equals to VV, right? And VA is equals to 0, then air content will become 0 and it is a saturated condition, right? And it is a range between 0 and 1, or we can say 100%, or from 0 to 100% it can vary. It can be 0 and it can be 100%, right? And relationship between AC and SR, right? Air content and saturation, degree of saturation, right? So degree of saturation and air content, the relation is, so air content plus degree of saturation we add, we can get 1, right? So here it is the relationship between AC and SR. And the fifth point is percentage of air voids. So percentage of air voids is equals to VA upon V, right? VA upon V. Where is the phase diagram? Yes. Phase diagram shows that VA upon, it is VA upon V. What we get? VA upon V, we get percentage of air voids, right? VA upon V, we get percentage of air voids. And the a percentage of air voids can be 0 and can be equal to porosity, right? Here you can see it is the porosity. So for fully saturated soil, VA will become 0, therefore we can say that air voids is equals to 0. But whenever VA is equals to VV, we get VV by V, which is also known as porosity, right? Which is also known as porosity. So it is range between 0 to n, or 0 to porosity. What is the value of porosity we get? It is between that, right? 0 to porosity level. Here are some important terms of the phase system. So hope you will understand. You can ask your doubts in the comments. I can clear by responding to you. So keep watching my channel. Thank you.